All right, let's make some classic pancakes. Super simple and so tasty. First up, grab a big mixing bowl. I pour in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, just a pinch of salt. Give that a quick mix to blend it all together. Next, in a separate bowl, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I whisk together. Now, I pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Gently stir until it just comes together. Don't overmix. It's okay if it looks a little lumpy. Time to heat up a non-stick pan over medium heat. I add a tiny dab of butter and let it melt, spreading it around the pan. Using a ladle, I scoop some batter onto the pan. When I see little bubbles forming on the surface, usually after about 2 minutes, I flip the pancake over and cook for another minute or so until it's golden brown. Keep going until you've used up all your batter. Stack those pancakes high. I love topping mine with fresh berries. And a drizzle of maple syrup, chocolate chips, whipped cream, you name it. And there you have it. Fluffy, delicious pancakes in just a few minutes. Try these out for breakfast or even a midnight snack. Trust me, they're always a hit. Thanks for hanging out and cooking with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes.